tactical scenario, this maneuver allows the Apache to reposition quickly and engage its target.
And now, from the left, we have the Apache attack helicopter demonstrating its agility by whipping a continuous loop in the skies, presenting the lasso. The Apache is a twin-engine multi-mission attack helicopter with a tandem-seated crew of 2. It is designed to fight and survive Eugene Chua cosine striker. Together, they have a total of 4,000 flying hours. And now let's hear the next maneuver.